We all have tins of this and that have been kicking around the back of our cupboard for 2, 3, maybe even 4 years. In today's episode, I'm going to be making chicken and meatball minestrone soup, using only ingredients that I have on hand, not going to the supermarket, and not buying toilet paper. If you enjoy that, make sure you stick around to the end of the episode, where I'm going to give you a hot tip on how to cook several meals without going to the supermarket, using only what you've got. Wasn't that great, guys? Now, my hot tip for you creating a meal with only what you have available is open up your pantry, have a look what's there. Even better, get a sheet of paper and actually write down everything you've got. Write down your noodles, your sauces, your rice packets, all that stuff. And based off that, we can come up with a list of meal ideas that we can eat for the foreseeable future. So for example, mee goreng, very tasty and nutritious peanut butter. Bit of a satay inspired dish. And if you wanted to make it extra nutritious, you could even add some broccoli florets. Nice easy meal. Got plenty of time to experiment, guys, being in lockdown and what have you. Now, before I finish the video, I'd just like to say that my heart absolutely bleeds for everyone working in the hospitality industry at the moment. We got restaurants shutting down, bars, cafes, everything's coming to a standstill. But on a lighter note, I hope that this situation gives everyone a chance to focus on themselves, focus on their mental health, make sure they're eating right and resting well, and hopefully we can come out the other side of this as better people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Peace.